We'll guide you through how to join a Discord server. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Discord, and so you're wanting to join a Discord server. I'm going to guide you through the different ways this can be done so you know exactly what you can do, because then you can go and join the Discord server and become a part of the community. So make sure it's full guide and you can go and decide what way is going to go and work best for you, and don't skip anything. So for the first way, you can go and get invited. So somebody already in the server, in some cases it can be members depending upon the permissions, but otherwise an admin or an owner can go and invite you. So when they go and invite you, you're going to go and receive a message with that invite in. So you can go and swipe from the left to right. We can go and open up our messages. I had a message here. As you can see, I went and received an invite here. So this is the first way it can be done. There are more, so do keep watching, and you can go and press join. And as you can see, I've now successfully gone and joined the server. It goes and so they just showed up, and now I can go and start messaging and browsing the server through the different channels. So that's the first way it can be done. But the next way, you may be in this situation where you just go and have an invite code that you want to go and use to go and join a server. If that's the case, you need to go and swipe from the left to right. And on this side menu here, you need to go and scroll down. This is the server list. And at the bottom, you'll go and find plus. You probably won't need to if you've just gone and got Discord and many servers, but you can then tap on that plus. Then you can press have an invite already, and you can press join a server, and you can go and type in the invite link. So for example, they may have gone and sent you it. Some are going to be really easy to know. For example, one is just Minecraft, or we could just go and do Roblox like so, and then press join with invite link. And we can easily go and join the server there. Alternatively, you may want to go and start browsing different servers you want to go and join. So to go and do that, we actually do have to come out of Discord to do this. So you can go and swipe up. Then we can go and open up a web browser, whether it's Safari, Chrome, it doesn't matter. Now, what we can do is go and search for a site called Discord Discover, like so. This is the site by Discord where we can go and browse loads of different servers and communities we can join. So you can press Discord servers -home. Then you can scroll down and go and search for one, or you can go and browse through the different categories. I could switch to gaming, let's say, and then you can scroll through here and see all these different servers you could go and join. So for example, I could go and find Geometry Dash or Fortnite. Then you can go and tap on it like so, scroll down and read about it, and you can press join server. It'll then go and open up, and as you can see, I can press accept invite, and I can go and join this server. It's that simple. Then we can go and start customizing our experience. Of course, each server will be going to be different with the process of joining it as well. But that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides.